Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do a follow-up of the HEXCLAD product review, the pans that I did 3 months ago. This was spurred by a trooper named Grace. So here's what I have to say 3 months later. Originally, in that first video, my husband brought me a 12-inch fry pan. I also got the 12-inch lid. Think of these pans, if you will, as 12, 10, and 8. Papa pan, mama pan, and baby pan. Kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, okay? So here's the big one with the lid. And then I had gotten in the product review the medium pan. We got the lid. But now I have the small pan and the lid. I have to tell you, these pans are well used. We probably use one of these pans every day. Some of my other pans aren't getting used at all because these are still amazing. They clean well. I really have never put them in the dishwasher. Their recommendation is you can do that if you want, but they say, you know, if you wash them by hand, it's a good thing too. So I just use warm soapy water to do that. Okay, the handles on the lids don't get hot. I do a lot of my warming up the next day. I don't use the microwave I don't use it at all for that, or rarely do I use it, I should say. And I would rather put my food in one of these pans and let it, turn it on low with a little bit of water or veggie broth or something or sauce, and just let them warm up with this. Handles still don't burn you. No matter what's going on in the pan, still the same. These pans are not only used a lot by me, Berta J, but also by my J family. I know my husband uses them, my daughter and Evan uses them as well. They are excellent pans, you guys. So good. So I still recommend them highly. I also recommend that you get the lids. Now they have this little vent. Each one of them have a little hole. So when you're cooking something, you see a little steam coming out of here. So it's not all concentrated on whatever it is you're making or reheating. They fit very snugly. You know, guys, I can't say enough about these pans. I really like them. I hope you will get an opportunity to try them, to buy them, and enjoy them. I know you will. That's really it. Go out and buy at least one. Try one and see what you think. And get the lid, okay? Remember, they're always on sale. Not always, but many times they're on sale. So I will again put the link below so that you can hop over to their website and order a pan. I get nothing for this, okay? Except the joy of knowing that I can share with you good products that I find. And that's what I want to do, troopers. I want you to be able to cook with the ease that I'm learning how to cook with really good utensils, pots and pans, and appliances and such like, okay? And so that's the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. And don't forget to leave some comments below. Let me know whether or not you're thinking you're on the fence of buying a HEXCLAD pan or not. And so until next time, bye for now, troopers.